Hello boys, welcome to my first video. Today I will share you how I get started in Unity game development and how I developed a multiplayer first person shooter game within 1 month. Like I'm going to share the FPS thing on the next video. Now I'm going to tell you how I get started in Unity. Hope you guys like it. Let's get started. One day I was preparing for my exams. When I was preparing for my exams, I just got an idea like why can't I make games? I always restrict myself to making games because I thought like my computer will not support it. But I just got an idea and the idea started cramming my mind. Like I got one idea and after that there is other, and there are so many ideas that I have to try the Unity game development, and I just started it. Most of you guys can have a question like why Unity? I'm going to answer that one. So I got an idea, but there is one problem, guys. I'm pretty dumb. So I started searching in Google and how to get started with game development. I found various results and there are various opinions. But wait, I have to say something. So before starting all of this, I used to watch Bragg's tutorials because like when I was in my first year of engineering, I was really inspired by them. But actually due to computer hardware kind of stuff, I didn't started in that. And I also used to watch Danny's tutorials too. Danny tutorials are very great. And yes, I used to watch them too. So Sanjay sends his regards.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Anyone remove my face? Yep. Okay. Aside my professional editing, we are now going to get it. Now, after watching Danny's tutorials, I was really inspired and want to do game in Unity. And one of the advantages of Unity is like there are so many forums, and whatever problem you have, you can search in Unity. Like the problems that I'm facing right now are being answered at 2011 and 2012, and it has a huge support. And the forums are really great in Unity. They are like mini Stack Overflow. Like you can find any answer, like whatever question you have, you can find answer in Unity forums. So now, what are the fundamentals of starting a 3D game or game development? I quickly found out that the main three fundamental things for starting a game development is game design, game 3D models, game mechanics, which we have to do by coding. So initially I will go through game design. I am very good at thinking, so keep it out. Game 3D models. So when I look for game 3D models, I found like Blender is a great software and is open source. Sorry, it's not, I don't know, but it's a free software, so we can use that. I quickly found out a tutorials by Crossmind Studio, which he explained about Blender tutorial for beginners, which is a great series, and it taught you way to like it taught you all the essentials that you need for doing 3D modeling. And I did most of my 3D modeling using Blender, and I use some of the assets. So check him out, and he's a great guy. And also for getting started in game development, initially I need to get familiar myself with Unity. So there is a video known as create a Unity FPS in 3 hours by Genva, which is an academy of gaming, and it's a free thing. Like YouTube is free, right? Okay, cool. Then it's a free video, 3 hours long video, and he explained very good, and he explained all the basics in Unity, and I hope it can get you started in Unity as well.
So
And there is
seriously
also
consider to check that video if you are getting started with Unity, guys. And there is our great godfather of Unity game development, Braggis, and he did an amazing series known as how to get started in game development. And he made a lot of videos, and all of those videos are like they are very good in explanation. And there is something like Unity beginners tutorial how to make a video game series, and you can consider checking them out. So like if you consider checking these things, and you will get a basic understanding on how to get started in Unity.
now, after getting done on these tutorials, I went to my college and downloaded Unity and started to experience Unity. Like why I downloaded it to my college, because it has good internet facility and UTP, and sorry for that. Like Unity is a like a data hungry kind of stuff which takes a lot of data to download, and there is a lot of modules to download. So make sure you have good internet connection, guys.
Found out that we need some hands-on coding. So searched in YouTube for multiplayer kind of stuff because I was really inspired by PUBG and I need to do something like that. And searched in internet and I got Bracky's FPS. Even though it is 2015, it is pure gold. I learned by following those videos, like half of the videos. After that, I did it on my own. And right now, I'm currently making my game, which is known as a Wild Shooters, which is like a classical multiplayer game, but I'm going to give you a wide new experience. Let us have a look at that game.
So let's see what we have discussed. 3D models check, game design check, game mechanics check. Like 3D models can be made in Blender, you can look at the tutorial, and game design you have to have creativity, and game mechanics you can look at Bragg's tutorials, but game design.
So it's a game that I'm working on. It is being available in both multiplayer and single player, and I've also really inspired from Mini Milsha. So I also added LAN support for this game so that you can join with your friend's wife and you can play. And it is will be in 3D, not in 2D. And it's a brief preview of my game, and it's a single mode where you just need to play against zombies, and it is currently in the beta kind of stage. I'm trying to play with my sister, the only beta tester that I have, and I'm trying to improve it as fast as I can so that I can release in YouTube, sorry, in Play Store. And if you like the game and if you want to know about it, just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified for that. Smash that subscribe button, boys. Okay, we'll meet next week with my new video. Until then,